So this is Oppo Reno 9 Pro plus 5G in black color, 16GB plus 2 5GB. Let's unbox this. This must be a chassis box. SIM ejector tool with black leather case. I seen first time in the box. So this is 18-watt fast charger with Type-C data cable. Let's wrap this first. Oppo keep the signature design on the bag. Looks like Oppo Reno 8 series. So Oppo Reno 9 Pro Plus launched with 16GB RAM as a base option, which is the first for the Reno series, and a feature we haven't seen in the Oppo phone since the Find X3 Pro flagship launched 1.5 years ago. .7-inch AMOLED covered display screen with 120 Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support on video playback. So this smartphone powered by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 5G processor. So 15 megapixel main camera has a 6P lens AF and OIS 120 degree of ultra wide 8 megapixel 2 MP depth on this smartphone. 32 megapixel front facing camera, 4K video recording in this Oppo Reno 9 Pro Plus. So the phone is slightly thicker and heavier, and that is because the battery capacity is increased. 5700 mAh battery on top in this smartphone. So all over from here. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.